Hello everybody, I hope you are well. As you can see already, I want this video to be just done. I'm like on a roll. Let's do this. I have the base on, contour, highlight, blush, eyebrow. Videos where I've done it before. I think even probably my last video I was testing out Primark makeup with my foundation. Was looking at it back and it does look a lot darker, but I think the light was so bright, so don't worry, it was all blended in. It didn't look that dark in real life, you know, because that is the lightest foundation number 7 do. So just putting that out there as a disclaimer. Easter I did a really cool look, and actually I wish I could wear this look every single day. Someone is bibbing, hello. I got quite a lot of compliments from my family to say they really liked it, and you know what, I'm just gonna redo it. I'm gonna do what I did, maybe add a little few more colours in there. I'm gonna do my classic thing instead because everything's already done. Just watch it with a nice drink, some popcorn. Let's go.